Hi! In front of me is Realme 8i, and today I would like to show you how you can download and apply Apple Layout on this Android. Firstly, open Play Store and click on Apps over here. Then tap on the search bar and type iOS Launcher. Following that, you need to download this free app from this developer. Then click on Open. Now you need to choose while using the app in the pop-up, the first one over here, and then click on Allow. Now choose Home button and tap on iOS Launcher. Then you need to choose Don't Ask again and click on iOS Launcher one more time. Then choose Got it, and as you can see, Apple Layout was applied successfully on my Android. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and definitely subscribe. Bye!